Good morning, students. I am Dr.I.JANNATHUL FIRTHOUSE, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Now, we will continue our previous video. In our previous video, we saw northwest corner rule. In this video, we will see least cost method or matrix minima method. That is the second model of transportation problem. First of all, we have to check whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced. In a previous problem, in previous method, northwest corner rule, we have to check likewise. Okay, we have to check the demand and supply. 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. Likewise, the column row wise 60, 60, 40, 100. So that is a balanced transportation problem. This is a balanced transportation problem. This is a balanced least cost method or matrix minimum method. What is the difference between northwest corner rule and the least cost method? In northwest corner rule, we have to allocate the northwest element. Northwest cell, the northwest element. In this problem or in this model, we have to allocate the least element in the cells. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 4. 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5, 9. The supply is 30, 50 and 20 and the demand is 20, 40, 30, 10. So, what is the least element in this problem? So, least element is 1. So, we have to allocate which one you want. This one and this and this. Now I am going to choose that one. So 30, 30. So you have to allocate 30 and 30 have to cancel. So the first row and the third column will exhaust, vanish. The remaining elements, step 2. What are the remaining elements? 3, 3, 1. And the supply value is 50. Next 4, 2, 9 and the supply value is 20. What is the demand value? 20, 40, 10. So you have to check whether the problem is balanced. 50 plus 20, 70 and 20, 40, 60, 60 plus 10 is a 70. So now we are going to allocate another least value. What is the least value in this problem? Again, we are having the least value. So we have to allocate, the row value is 50 and the column value is 10. So you have to allocate the 10. So you have to subtract 50 minus 10, 40. So you vanish that last column because the 10 is vanished. So now we are going to see the step 3. In step 3, the remaining elements 3, 3, 4, 2, so 40, 20 and the demand value is 20, 40. So 40 plus 20 is 60 and 20 plus 40 is a 60. So the problem is balanced. So in this step, what is the minimum element? Obviously 2 is the minimum element. So 2 occur second row and second column. So the row element is 20 and the column element is 40. So we have to allocate 20. So 40 minus 20. So 40 minus 20, 20. So the row vanished because the element 20 vanished. Next step 4. Step 4, the remaining element 3, 3 and the supply value 40, 20, 20. The problem is balanced. You have to select any one 3. Which one you want? 3. So I am selecting the first element. So the row element is 20. So you have to subtract 40 minus 20. That element vanish. So 3, 20, 20, you have to allocate 20. Now we are going to find the initial basic feasible solution is 1 into 30 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 20. So 1 into 30 30 plus 1 into 10 10 plus 2 into 20 40 plus 3 into 20 60. So 170 200. 200 is the initial basic feasible solution. Now we will see another one example for initial basic or feasible solution. To find the initial basic feasible solution using the least cost method. Now let us see another one example in this method, that is the least cost method or matrix minima method. So first of all we have to check whether the problem is balanced or not balanced. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So the problem is not balanced because the supply value is 8 and the demand is 10. So first of all we have to make the problem is to be balanced. So 3 7 6 4 2 4 3 2 4 3 8 5. So you have to make the problem is to be balanced. So we need 2. In supply we need 2. So we have to add another one row, that is the dummy row 0 0. So we have to add 2. So 5 2 1 3 3 2 2. So 7 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Now the problem is to be balanced. Now we will follow the previous problem. Step 1. So this is what is the method? Least cost method or matrix minima method. So in this method we have to select the minimum element. In this problem what is the minimum element? 0 is the minimum element. We select any one 0. So first 0 I select the first one. So the row element is 2 and the column element is 3. So you have to allocate a 2. So out of 3, so 3 minus 2, remaining 1. So the last column should vanish. Next, step 2. That is step 1 and step 2. 3 7 6 4 and 2 4 3 2 4 3 8 5. 4 3 8 5. So what is the row element? 5 2 1 and 1 3 2 2. That is 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So what is the method? Least cost method. So we have to select the least element. What is the least element in this step 2? 2 is the least element. So 2 belongs to the first second row and second row first column and second row fourth column. So we have to select which one you want. So 2, I have to select these 2. So the row element is 2 and the column element is 1. So you have to allocate 1. So out of 2 remaining 1. So you have to vanish that 1. Next step 3. Step 3, 7 4 3 6 3 8 4 2 5. So 5 1 1 3 2 2. So we have to check 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 4 7. The problem is to be balanced. The another, what is the minimum element in this step? 2 is the minimum element in the step, and the row element is 1 and the column element is 2. Which one is to be minimized? 1 is the minimum element, so you have to allocate 1. So out of 1 remaining 1. So 1 is vanished. So the second row is to be vanished. Next is step 4. Step 4, 7 6 4 3 8 5. So 5 1 and 3 2 1. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1 6. So what is the minimum element in the step 4? 3 is the minimum element, the row element is 1, the column element is 3. So these two, 1 is the minimum. So subtract 3 minus 1, 2, and we have to eliminate that row, second row. Now step 5, 7 6 4 5 2 2 1. That is 2 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5. So what is the minimum element? 4 is the minimum element. So 1 you have to allocate, out of 5 minus 1, 4. So that element vanished. Next step 6, 7 6 2 2 4. So 2 is to be vanished. Step 7 2 2. So you have to allocate 2. So what is the initial basic feasible solution? You have to multiply the cell value and the corresponding element. Okay. So the initial basic feasible solution is, therefore, the initial basic feasible solution. So 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 6 into 2 plus 7 into 2. That is 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 12 plus 14. That is 26, 20, 30, 35, 37 is the initial basic of feasible solution. Now we will see the another one example in this same method, a least cost method. So first what I told you the previous example. First of all, you have to check whether the problem is balanced or not balanced. So 13 plus 23, 36, 36 plus 41, 77. So in this side we are getting 77. What is that side? 16, 20, only 28. So lakh 77 minus 28. So the lacking element is a 49. So we have to be balanced. We have to put a 49 in that row. So we have add another column, one more column, that is 21, 16, 25, step 1, 17, 18, 14, 32, 27, 18. So 6, 10, 12. We need what? 49. So we have to add one column excess, that is the dummy column 0, 0, 0, and the element is 49. So the row element is 13, 23 and 41. So what is the minimum element in the step? Obviously 0 is the minimum element. So 0 is the minimum element. So I select that element. So So what is the row element? 13 and the column element is 49. Which one is minimum? 13 is the minimum. So you have to allocate 13. So remaining 26. 36. So 49 minus 13 is the remaining element 36. 46 minus 13. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 36. So the first row should vanish because the 13 vanished. In step 2, what is the element? 17, 18, 14 and 0. Next 32, 27, 18 and 0. Remaining 6, 10, 12, 36. So 23, 41. So what is the minimum element in this step? 0 is the minimum element in this step. So what is this? I select that element. So what is the row element? 23 and the column element is 36. Which one is minimum? Obviously 23 is a minimum. So you have to allocate a 23 here. So out of 36, what is the remaining? So 1, 3. 13 is the remaining element. So 23 vanished. Obviously the first row getting vanished. Next step 3. In step 3 the only 32, 27, 18, 0, 6, 10, 12, 13, 41. 41. So 32, 27, 18, 0, 41. So out of these row, which one is the minimum element? Obviously 0 is the minimum one. So 13. So 41 minus 13. 28. So this left. So step 4. 32, 27, 18, 6, 10, 12, 28. So which one is the minimum? 18 is the minimum. The row element is 28 and the column element is 12. So obviously we have to allocate 12. So remaining 16. So that element vanish. In step 7, 32, 27, 6, 10, 16. So minimum element is 27. So you have to allocate 10. Out of 10 we have 6. 6 is there. So what is the least initial basic feasible solution? In our previous problem, what we did, we have done. So multiply the row, the cell value and the allocated value. Okay. So likewise, for the initial basic feasible solution is 0 into 13 plus 0 into 13 plus 0 into 23 plus 0 into 13 again plus 12 into 18 plus 12 into 18 plus 27 into 10 plus 32 into 6. So what is the answer? Plus 32 into 6. So what is the answer? 270, 192, 216. We have to add these 3 and the final answer we are getting. Okay. So This is a least cost method. In a next video, we will see the another one method of the transportation problem, that is the Ogle's approximation or VAM method. Okay, thank you students.